How to download CapCut on PC free 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to download CapCut on PC free 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is to just head over to our browser, and then from in there just click on the search bar and search for CapCut for PC. So from in there you can see this CapCut.com home. So from there you can just click on this right here, and as you can see this one right here. So in here you can see the download, so click on the download, and in here just click on download for Windows or Mac. So just click on that, and as you can see the download process has been started. So you can just wait for this to finish downloading, and once it's finished downloading, you can now follow the on-screen instructions in order to properly install it. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to download CapCut on PC free 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!